Here's a really old school scheme that used to work but now doesn't anymore. So before we jump in, there's two kinds of accounting methods for income tax. Number one is the cash basis. You report your income when you receive the cash, and you report the deduction when you pay the expense. The alternative is accruals accounting. And when you accrue the income, such as when you issue the invoice is when you return it, not when you get the cash, and when you incur the expense, such as you were invoiced for something. Now, onto the scheme. So this scheme was basically you had one company or entity that was on a cash accounting basis and another one that was on accruals. And the accruals accounting taxpayer would be charged by the cash accounting taxpayer for something like legal services. Let's just say legal services. The cash accounting entity sent an invoice to the accruals accounting entity. The accruals accounting entity has realized a deduction because it's using the accruals method. Therefore, it gets a tax deduction in that year when it receives the invoice. However, the other entity won't report the income because it's on a cash basis, and that invoice is going to remain unpaid for a period of time. What this allows is one company will realize a deduction, therefore can reduce their taxable income, and the other company has not realized the income and may not ever realize the income. To overcome this, the government introduced a special section, which is section 82 KK of the 1936 Income Tax Assessment Act. That basically says if there is a mismatch, the loss or outgoing is denied. It is not deductible. However, this only applies for transactions between associates. It does not theoretically apply to transactions between unassociated entities, such as I run a law firm, where on accruals accounting, I would expect, and if I invoiced you and you're on cash accounting, obviously the timing will line up as it's supposed to. However, there will be a tax timing difference. Hope this makes sense. It's pretty complicated stuff.